Hi there and welcome to our second icon. By the way, I had to modify this one. I like it much better like this. Let's start our bulb. We are going to create a bulb icon. I'm gonna create a circle and of course no fill to start with, and the stroke is fine. Then I will create another rectangle. Let's go inside here and create a very precise rectangle. So I'm gonna click on the path and create just like this. Zoom in at 100%. See exactly where is this. These two, are they matching? I think they're matching. I think it will be okay if you use the shape builder tool. Now we can Ctrl 0, and then we have some small circle at the bottom here, circle and a small circle here. That will make a nice bulb. Select all of them and go to the shape builder tool and join them all together. Hopefully we're not gonna get in trouble. And let's look at the corners. We go for the white selection. Notice there is an additional point. Let's zoom in. So we have this one and this one. Click on one of them and just bring it over here. Let's zoom in on the other one now. And we select it. Ctrl plus. Even more. Selected. Notice we have two of them. And zoom in, and I'm gonna select this guy here and just put it here. So in case you get in trouble with these funny corners, then you know how to fix them now. I have my primary bulb. What I would like to create now is this light coming in. It's a stroke, and it's gonna be 0.5, not 0.5. It will be okay. And of course, we're gonna go for rounded caps. Now I need to replicate it all over. I'm gonna do it the latest technique, which is object, repeat, radial. And of course make it the radial bigger. That will do just like this. Let's see. So let's take it down. Try to put it in the middle. That would be somehow the middle. Let's make it bigger. Very nice. Just like this. How many I have? I need more. I'm gonna add more, but then I don't want them all, so I'm gonna cancel this guy from here and cancel the latest one from here. I think they're a bit big. I'm gonna just do something smaller. That will be cool. The next thing to do is some line here. Forgot these two. Let's go with the shape builder tool and join them. Now I could add a line here to simulate something. And another line. I think these are the screws, something like this. So three of them are nice. Then I'm gonna draw a circle here, just a simple circle here. Use the white arrow tool. I think I showed you this one. Select this anchor point, delete it. Select this one and delete it. I have something that I can use as a light, reflection of light. I need to be thicker than the rest, and I need to be a round cap. That's pretty cool. Now, of course, select all these, white arrow tool, and obviously I'm going to select this corner and round them a bit. That seems fine. You could also round these ones. I'm going to round them just a bit. That's pretty nice. Now, if you want it as a line icon, you need to increase the stroke. That's cool. Let's select these guys also. Let's select these three here. And put the stroke to 1. 1 will do, 2 will be a bit close. And select also this guy and adjust it to 1 if you want to. Now, if you want to do it with a black fill, select these guys first of all and turn the stroke to white. Then select the bulb itself and turn the fill to black. It's okay. I prefer the other one, in fact. It's nicer. I'm going to undo. We created another icon which says, hey, do you have an idea? Yeah, I have a new idea and so on. Here I found it a bit short. I will go with white arrow tool and select it like this and just take it down. Okay, that will be nice. I will select these three guys, remove the selection from the big bulb and take them a bit down. I use shift here. Maybe without shift, it will work better. This is not well positioned. Let's do it just like this. And make it even bigger. No, that's too big. This is your bulb, and you can play with it, you can add things, and you can make it different colors. Notice that how we have used the grid here, and it's very easy to create this bulb. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lecture.